Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I've been waiting on my July 2020 BoxyCharm box. I just received it in the mail Thursday. Today's August 7th, so it's Saturday. I got this on the 5th. Freaking crazy. And it's late. It's so late. To put things in short perspective, July 2020 was just a really hard month for BoxyCharm. I'm not quite sure because, I mean, obviously there's a lot of stuff going on with the pandemic, but their shipping hasn't been that bad for me. The first ever box I got was in May, and is no one gonna get that? Okay, that car alarm finally went off. So pretty much back to what I was saying, I subscribed to BoxyCharm and Ipsy, I think a few days apart, and I did both of those at the end of April, and I think there's like a cutoff. So if I would have subscribed earlier in the month, I think I would have been able to get April's, but since I subscribed so late, I got May, but I got May pretty at a decent time, like on May 13th, I think was when I got my first BoxyCharm. And it was like normal. Like I think the next month I got it like the 17th or something like that. So around the time that you should expect it. 17th is a little bit kind of late, but it really just depends, and you know, with everything going on, it makes sense. But for some reason their shipping last month was horrible. Like my box didn't even get shipped till the 13th. And that was when they gave the information. It actually didn't even get shipped until a whole week later on July 20th, and I was supposed to get it the 27th. And the day that it was on transit, because I have a FedEx post to where I live, but they have to take it all the way to Kansas City, because I live in the KC area, but a suburb. And they had to take it there to USPS and then back to the town that I live in, even though the town that I live in has a FedEx Smart Post. And it got lost in transit. I'm not sure if it's FedEx fault or USPS. I don't know. I'm not gonna like point in any fingers. I'm not mad at BoxyCharm. I'm not mad at either postal services, just because there's so many things going on that, you know, I sound super privileged if I do get mad. However, I'm so glad I was able to get a new box, because BoxyCharm wasn't sure if they were going to be able to replenish the box that they sent me, because one, some people subscribe at an earlier time in the month to where they can get that month as well, or sometimes stuff that's in boxes are considered part of their add-ons too. So if you saw something from the month before, sometimes they add it in the add-ons, or even from the same month that it's supposed to be in some of the boxes, they'll have it in add-ons and people can add it onto their box. So yeah, I got my box so late, but that's okay. I'm super duper excited to have it. I'm also going to show you the add-on that I got first as well. So let's get to that. So as I mentioned, BoxyCharm has add-ons, and I actually did July's add-on because I finally got to choose my like one choice for the month. I didn't get to do last month. I think it was because it was Boxy Luxe last month, as in June. But I did get to choose one for August, and then I also did an add-on. So the add-on that I got was the 111 Skin, the Pollution Defense Booster. This was in July 2020's box. So I was kind of on the fence to buy this. This is normally $135, and it was on sale for $12. Like, BoxyCharm add-ons are awesome, but I was afraid I would have got this in this box, and luckily I've already looked in the box to see if I got this, and I didn't. So I'm pretty excited about this. I've used it already because I got this like 4 days after I ordered it. I got this way before I got my actual BoxyCharm box. But I think it does wonders. I just like it's pollution defense booster. Obviously that's really pricey for that, but I think this is a really innovative product because people don't realize how much pollution affects your skin. Like, obviously UV rays and doing SPF, but also something like this is great to have. So I'm going to look up to see if any other brand has done something like this that's cheaper, just because by the time I'm done with this, you know, the $12 that it was sold at probably isn't going to be there anymore. So yeah, I've already opened my box just to make sure that I didn't have a duplicate of this, because I probably would have done a giveaway with that. I think that's just such a high value product to put in a giveaway, but I didn't, so I'll just have to wait to do another giveaway. But this month's theme is sunshine. I keep saying this month, last month, because I'm about to do August sometime soon, hopefully, if they don't lose it this time. But it's sunshine. I think it's so cute. It has like the limes and pool. I haven't been to a pool all this summer because of, you know, things going on, and I just really don't want to go. But it has the items in the bag, and I'm actually gonna go in order of them. So the first thing we have is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Oh, it's a fun kind of like ombre. It has a matte finish. Ooh, it has like a jelly consistency type, which is very similar to this. I just think this one's a little bit thicker. This is really gel-like, whereas this one's gel when you put it on, but then when you smooth it out, it's more watery than this. But what this is supposed to do, it is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. And then on the box, it says how to use. It says, as a booster, mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied in the morning and evening. And then as a serum, apply 3 drops directly to the face and neck after cleansing. So you can use this as a serum, or you can use it to help with your other serums and cream, because this is a brightening booster. I will probably do that because I have some other serums and creams that I like to do, so I'll probably try it both ways and see how I like it. The next item is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Shadow. It says get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. This is what the package looks like. Pretty standard, kind of reminds me of Stila, but obviously a different top portion. It's kind of rose goldy type color. It's very sheer. This reminds me of like a Glossier product. Let's see, try to pack it on there more and you can see more shimmer. I think this would really be cute for girls in high school that don't like to wear a lot of makeup. I know I'll get use out of this, but it has that kind of like girl next door makeup vibe to it, which Glossier is really big on. Next, we have the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. The Bronze in Paradise palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look, can be layered on top of liquid cream or any powder complexion products. So this is what the packaging looks like. So cute, kind of reminds me of like a chocolate bar. And then here are what the shades are. So it kind of seems like it runs on the warm toned version of things, which makes sense because it is a bronzer palette. I can definitely see me using these to kind of contour some areas because I like to do light contour around my nose, not too harsh. And then these on the outsides of my face. This seems a little too deep for me. I can definitely see myself using this as an eyeshadow though, just because I like to do warm brown looks because I have blue eyes, so I still think I'll be able to get use out of this as well. So I'm pretty excited to try this. I don't have a ton of bronzers. The only bronzer that I use at the moment as one to contour, it's the Milk Stick bronzer, and then I also use the Physicians Formula Buttered bronzer. I love their butter bronzer. I think it smells so good and it applies so nicely. But I am excited to try a new bronzer finally. For the fourth item, we have the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. the Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit, Wink, a universally gorgeous pink diamond dripped gloss. I did say dripped. I thought I was going crazy there for a second. This is the packaging. Kind of reminds me of Kylie's high gloss lip glosses, but a little bit skinnier of a tube. Has this pale pink top. And then it doesn't have a doe foot applicator. It's one of these types of thin applicators. That is, it's pretty. It's kind of sheen. I'll try some on my lips. I apologize for not wearing any makeup at the moment. I'm going to a 90s party. There's only going to be 6 people there and we see them all the time. I want to put a disclaimer there so people aren't being like, why are you partying in a pandemic? Like, it's people we see all the time. We work from home. We don't see anyone besides when we go to the grocery store, and I make sure to keep my distance because I'm claustrophobic in the first place, but I promise we're being safe as possible. It's pretty. Obviously, I like to line my lips a little bit and give some more to it, but this will be such a pretty topper, and I love pink shades. Like, pink shades never go wrong for me. I'm glad I finally got a item from this brand. I am obsessed with Kathleen Lights, and Kathleen Lights talks about this brand all the time. It's a Hispanic owned company, which I am Hispanic descent, so I love to support people that I can identify with, so that's awesome. For the 5th and final item in our box, we have the Cream Shop Next Gen Blender Set. Looks like this. It says the duo of uniquely cut sponges designed to apply and blend cosmetics to all areas of the face, including those hard to reach places a traditional brush or sponge can't get to. Easily apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. So here, they're quite soft. They give me, they remind me of marshmallow. I love sponges like this. I think they're awesome. I don't really mind ones like this, especially to do powder right here on the flat surface. But yeah, I haven't gotten new sponges in a while. I've seen some reviews on these. I've seen mixed ones. Some like it, some don't. So we'll see. I think these are ones that suck up product more. So that's kind of not good for me because I do have a lot of redness in my skin that I like to get rid of by doing a more full coverage look. But we'll see. We'll give them a chance and we'll try them a few times because I know the first time you use a sponge, it takes a while for it to like break in. At least that's how I feel about them, so I'll give it a few chances to see if I actually like them or not. Now for prices. For the first item, we had the Clean Scare Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This runs for $49.95. And then the next item was the Studio Makeup Eyeshadow Cream. This runs for $25. Then we had the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. This runs for $30, which has 4 shades, so not bad. Then next up we had the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. This runs for $15. And then last we had the Cream Shop Next Gen Blender Set, and these run for $22 for the 2 of these, which isn't horrible. Better than Beauty Blender, I guess. One of those is literally $20 by its own, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. That's probably the next highest price I would pay for 2 of them. I guess it's not bad, but I just feel like you can go to Juno & Co. or what's the other one? The Real Techniques. Some people don't like them. I didn't like when I replenished mine because I didn't have one for a while because I had Juno & Co. ones for about a year because I had bought I think like a 6-pack or something like that. I still like Juno & Co. Real Techniques, after a while, it works. I feel like you have to break them in, like I said, just because sponges can take a while to finally not absorb the amount of makeup you're wanting to put on your actual face and on the sponge. But yeah, that is a little bit high, but I'm so excited to try it. If I like it, then maybe I'll think it's worth it because it's not horrible. But yeah, overall, I'm content with this box. Obviously, it took a while to get here. And I know that I'm going to use every single one of these items. The sponges are the ones that I am most concerned about using, I guess. But I'm really excited to use that brightening booster serum. I'm still loving this lip gloss. It's kind of sticky, so I'm a little bit worried about like hair getting into it, but it's not bad. It's this. I'm hoping it doesn't crease. That's my only concern about this. Other than that, I think it'll be a pretty topper like shade. But yeah, overall, I'm not too disappointed with this box. Is it my favorite? I don't think so. I think Boxy looks my favorite just because there were so many different things, but I love how versatile this box was. We have skincare item and then different types of makeup items. Like we don't have 2 eyeshadow palettes. I don't have a black eyeliner or mascara that I've gotten 7,000s of already. So I'm pretty content with this box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry it is so late. I'm already gonna have my Ipsy box soon. It just shipped the other day, so we'll hopefully have that video up and running on my new set out. Comment down below what your favorite product you think mine will be, or what product you're excited about. If you are subscribed, what products did you get? I would love to know. And let me know if you guys want me to do like a vanity tour once I have that all up and I will be able to show you my makeup collection. I think that would be fun. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you can. Anything helps me out. I'm just so glad you're watching though, so don't feel like you have to do any of that. But I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!